In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your ignition coil boots on your Hyundai Accent 1.6 liter. It's located on top of your engine. So take this off just by pulling. Unplug your coil by pushing in this tab and pulling it up and away. Then you're going to use a 10mm socket and unbolt the coil. And now we're going to twist and pull. Take that out. I'm going to use a 5/8 spark plug socket and an extension and my ratchet, and we're going to unscrew the spark plug. So gently set it down on there. Once you unscrew it, you're going to get a magnet and pull the spark plug out. All right. So we're going to take this off. You just inspect it, make sure it doesn't look damaged. Then you're going to take the spring out. Like that. Be mindful that that is the side that goes out, and that's the side that goes in. All right, so put the spring in. Okay, it goes in the center. Then you're going to put your boot on. Make sure your spring is lined up. And now we're going to put some dielectric grease in there. And then we're going to put our boot on. And now we can install. So I'm going to put my spark plug back in using my magnet. I'm going to hand tighten it. So just hand tighten that, and then once it stops, you're going to torque it to 21 foot-pounds. All right, so we're going to install our coil. You're going to go down, find your spark plug. Make sure it's on there. And then you're going to install your bolt. Start it by hand. All right, we're going to torque this to 8 foot-pounds. Now we can plug in our connector. Now we can put our engine cover back on. The process is the same for the rest of the ignition coil boots.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.